Hi guys, we have here the Andis Cordless NV Clipper Li for lithium battery. This is a long-lasting cordless power, 25% lighter as you can see here. It's a great quality clipper. It's mid-grade for the great price you get. Cordless, you can't go wrong with that. Here you got a close-up look at the box. It's the Andis Nation one. It does come in the regular standard silver color, but this one, for those who are interested, as you can see here, comes with 8 comb guides, charger, and oil as well. So let's go ahead and open this up, give you guys a closer up and a sound bite at the at the clipper, I should say. Many people come and ask if this is better than the Magic Clip. In my opinion, no. So if you're looking at comparing Magic Clip to this, just go with the Magic Clip. What else can we say? The model number on this is what else? 73045. It's a rotary motor. Can be used on wet or dry hair, but let's go ahead and open this up for you guys. Give you guys a quick sound bite. Go ahead. I guess that's 25% lighter. So there you have it. You got all the comb guides in there. You got the clipper itself. You got the charger and the oil. So let's go ahead and take this plastic off here. Give you guys a quick look at the Andis Nation. As it says here, read instructions first. Do not turn on until clipper is fully charged. Oh well, we need to give you guys a sound bite. So it definitely feels lighter. You know, as you can see here. Take this off. Turn this on. That's where you plug it in. So there you have it, guys. Quick sound bite of the Andis Nation Cordless NV Li. If you're looking to purchase this or any of the Andis products, please visit the link in the description below. Nonetheless, a great quality mid-grade clipper. If you're looking for a higher end cordless, lasts longer, look at the Super ZR. That's a great high quality. Definitely costs a lot more. Probably double the price of this clipper, or some places triple. But nonetheless, you get what you pay for. I'd give this 4 out of 5 stars. Definitely not the top level Andis clipper up there. You know, if you're using the Andis Master or something like that, better off sticking with that. This one, the only good thing pretty much is the cordless feature, you know, at a great price. I'd recommend it probably for those at home, you know, parents out there want to get their teenage son's clipper to use. Great clipper to start out with. High quality battery as well. Lasts up to 2 hours. So there you have it, guys, the Cordless NV Li with adjustable blade, 25% lighter, comes in this color and a standard silver color. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our channel and have a great day.